If you've ever searched for jobs in tech, finance, logistics, or consulting, you have probably seen this word everywhere, SAP. And most people still have no idea what it actually is. Let's simplify this using pizza. Imagine Tony owns one pizza shop. Tony cooks, Tony delivers, Tony tracks money. Easy. Now imagine Tony owns 100 pizza stores. New York runs out of cheese, Chicago's extra inventory, finance doesn't know which stores are profitable, delivery drivers are delayed, managers are using Excel files everywhere. Now the company becomes chaos. This is the real problem SAP solves. A customer buys pizza in New York. Immediately, inventory updates, finance sees revenues, managers see dashboards, procurement sees inventory dropping. One action, multiple departments updated instantly. That's ERP. One source of truth. To keep things organized, SAP uses modules. Think of modules like apps on your phone. Each module has a specific job inside the company. Now, let's go back to Tony's Pizza. SD handles sales. Customer orders 200 pizzas for a football event. SD creates the customer order. But now there's a problem. Tony doesn't have enough dough or cheese. This is where PP comes in. PP looks at demand and says, to make 200 pizzas, we need dough, cheese, tomato sauce, boxes, workers, ovens available. PP plans production. Now PP talks to MM handles inventory, ingredients, purchasing. Checks the warehouse. Do we have enough cheese? Enough flour? Enough boxes? If inventory is too low, orders more ingredients from suppliers. Then production starts. The pizzas get prepared. Inventory decreases automatically. Finished pizzas become available for delivery. Then SD takes over again. Delivery drivers ship the pizzas. The customer gets billed. And now, FICO enters the story. FICO tracks the money side. Ingredient costs, revenue, profitability, payments. When pizzas are sold, finance sees revenues instantly. This is the important part. These modules are not isolated. One customer order triggered SD, PP, FICO, one business event, multiple departments working together in real time. This is why SAP is valuable. Managers stop guessing, everything becomes visible in real time. And this is also why SAP careers pay well, because companies need people who understand how all these moving parts connect together. Not just screens, but business processes. Now that you finally understand what SAP actually is, the next question becomes, how do you start learning it without getting lost? That's exactly what we're covering in the next video. Subscribe if you want practical SAP understanding without corporate fluff.